हेलो हाय हाउ आर यू। सो नमस्कार। तो आज हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू क्रिएट अ इमेज थ्रू टेक्स्ट। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे एक इमेज क्रिएट की गई है थ्रू कोड के थ्रू। तो देखते हैं इसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए। तो फर्स्ट वी विल understand what is our purpose. Purpose is creating a text, creating an image using text. So what is the basic requirement what we need? Prerequisite, we need some software like Python. You need Python 3.10 and a specific library. Run this command. So you will directly, this is the command that you can see here. Pip install torch diffusion translator accelerator safe tensor. So these library you need. So you will install, just copy and paste in external. In Visual Studio, this VS code you will get like terminal, new terminal. Just copy and paste. This will install all the libraries. So what you will do, what all thing will do. PyTorch, the core engine is for computation purposes. This is the PyTorch. What PyTorch does. Diffuser, the library that provide you auto pipeline for a text to image class. Another thing is accelerate, help to load large model efficiently into your memory. So basic purpose of what we are installing. Now the next thing is हार्डवेयर कितना चाहिए आपको। हार्डवेयर बेसिकली आपके पास 8 GB की GPU होना चाहिए एंड 16 GB एटलीस्ट रैम होनी चाहिए। सो ये होने के बाद आप अपनी ही मशीन पे अनलिमिटेड इमेज खुद क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। अदरवाइज अगर आप जो है यही इमेज क्रिएट करेंगे थ्रू API के थ्रू लाइक हगिंग फेस, there are many applications they are giving API. Through API you can generate an image. So Hugging Face is there, and other application is OpenAI, Stability AI. These are the other APIs. So if you want to API and then key, then you have to pay something there. Otherwise you will get through API only some photos like 10 photos. So but in this way you can install the library, then on your local machine you can generate the images. So this is the benefit for you, that's why we are using this. So now coming to the code, ये तो मैं simply आपको this image I have created. Now coming to the code, what code we have. So what we are importing, import torch. Basically I told this is the basic engine. Now the diffusers and auto pipeline for text to image. Date time is just for a date time. Now model, what model we are using is Stability AI, Stable Diffusion XL base 1.0. Prompt basically what we want to create. Suppose I have written like na create beautiful scene for Indian village, river, cow, shepherd, all thing, whatever you want, just mention here. Now printf is just like just printing whatever you want that you can print, means we are loading a model to GPU. Model ID, this model we are using. So now pipe here like object working. So we are calling this auto pipeline for text to image. There we are passing model ID, what model this will use, engine, and torch type will be torch, float, and variant is FP16, and use safe tensor equal to QDA. Now memory operation 8 GB RAM, GPU should be there. So basically now we are creating image through this pipe. We are just putting a pipe, whatever prompt actually put here. जो भी हमें image create करनी, you can directly put here. Now number of inference step, like number of step, like how many times it will process to restructure the image, refine the image. Like so, this is the command where we are creating a image. We are just giving the command. So now file name, here we are giving the file name, then date, time, and then file png. It's a png, so saving a file. So this will save. So this is the basic command. Now I'm just running this file py dot, you can see here, py text to image underscore gpu py. So I'm just running, so it will show you in here whatever command we have given. Like suppose this is first, like loading stability this to gpu, that's we have given the command here, print this, that's why it's we are getting here. Now further we have given loading pipeline component, so हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे लिखा था, that's why it's coming. Now it's generating image, so we have mentioned like generating image print. So जो भी आप print में देंगे, that will at least print. Why we are using print? So at least we will know where the code is running. So suppose before this code we have printed, so that's why we are getting this. Now further process will this will do. So now next thing is going on. So it's a generating image right now, it's saying, and it's a 20% done. So because we have given inference step 10, so 10 steps, it will create a like one layer image, then next layer, then third layer. 110 layer will be complete, then image will be recreated, created, and it will save on your local. So just wait for a minute, so we will get a picture. So here you can see this is the picture I have created earlier. Same prompt earlier I have given, simple village, all the things, but whenever you will give any prompt, it will create every time new image, maybe some difference, so that you will get. So that you need to keep in mind. It's 40% done. आप इमेज और भी यूज कर सकते हैं, ये तो डायरेक्टली वी हैव डाउनलोडेड सम libraries, so all thing done on your local machine. But suppose आप चाहते हैं कि you don't have enough machine like 8 GB RAM and 16 GB RAM and some GPU, so आप API के थ्रू डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकते हैं. So आपको करना क्या होगा, जाना होगा हगिंग फेस पे, वहाँ पे अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करना होगा, एंड आपको अपनी एक टोकन की जनरेट करनी होगी, देन उस टोकन की को अपने एप्लीकेशन में कॉल करना होगा कोड में, देन आप जो है इमेज जनरेट कर पाएंगे. बट उससे आप एक दिन में कुछ ही इमेज जनरेट, एक दिन में क्या, एक महीने में करीब है 5 से 10 इमेज ही क्रिएट कर पाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट यू विल नॉट गेट, दे विल गिव यू रेस्पॉन्स, जस्ट टेक अ पेड सर्विस. बट इसके थ्रू आप अनलिमिटेड इमेजेस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज हो क्या रहा है पे, सिंपली इट्स यू आर क्रिएटिंग योर इमेज ऑन योर local machine. So that's the benefit. Now I'm closing this one. Now you can see it's 8 in 10 numbers, 8 numbers inference step has been completed. It will still take something. Also you can see how memory it's taking. So I think, don't think, okay. So आप यहाँ पे और भी करेक्शन कर सकते हैं, चाहे तो आप इस फाइल को सेव करना चाहें तो किसी पर्टिकुलर पाथ पे दे सकते हैं, देन यू विल गेट अ this file will be saved on particular folder. Right now तो होगा क्या, this file will be saved on, we are inside this folder create text to video, so in this folder only this image will be created. Right now we can see there is a GPU image underscore 23459.png. so one image will be created once this will be done, completed. Right now it's all thing done, it's just creating the image. Next step we will create the other prompt and see what we will get. So I have already written the prompt, right now I'm commenting it. So comment के लिए simply क्या लिखना होता है, you have to write a hash, it's a single line comment. Now I'm writing this other one. Oh. So okay, now the next prompt is misty morning in the Indian village with a woman driving water from well, buffaloes resting near and birds flying over the golden fields. So we will get now image is been created. We can also see here success image saved as this image 25104. Now you can see this is the image that created this time, and you can see this time it's a different, like many cows are there, house, village, trees, all things there. So this way you can just give proper command, proper prompt you will get. Okay, let's try one more picture. So 1 minute, let me run command again. So okay, if I will decrease the inference on this step, inference command, it will create a image very quickly, but we will not get a correct picture. Suppose I'm just inference giving a 4 this time, and I'm just saving the command. Let's see how we will get the picture. Now it's run. It is running right now. So basically I have given, so number of inference 4 I have given, so it will, what it will do, first it will create like a one picture, then it will correct it 4 times, it will one by one done action over same image. Now other, at least we can understand some other thing. Here we have given now date time, now that's a string from time, so it's a hour, minute and second. So it's a like right now 2:53, so it's a 2:51 and 4 seconds. Okay, now you have 50% completed. It will create in a minute, just wait for a minute. आप और भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज आप ये है दूसरा कोड यूज कर सकते हैं. इट्स फॉर टेक्स्ट टू इमेज सेम थिंग, but here what we are using a CPU. It will use your CPU, not GPU. So it will basically use your CPU. So if you have very less GPU, then you can use this code also. Here we are using a stability model sdxl turbo. Next time I'll show you. This will also run and create a picture. Let's see after that. It is about done. Just few seconds. Now it's created. Now you can see what we have got. File name is 25537. So you have seen we have not got clear picture, right? Because the steps was very less. That's the reason. Okay, now we will see through not using a GPU CPU. Let's try how it will get. So basically it should be at least more than 10, so at least so you will get a picture. Now it's running this code. Use your CPU. Wait for a minute. You can see here also one point here. Same prompt I have given, whatever I have given earlier. In first step, create a beautiful scene for Indian village, river, cow, for useful detail, vibrant colors. It's done. I already got the picture. This one. Now see what we have got here. We got here picture like this. So okay, now that's all. Thank you. In next video we will see how to create a text to video. So what we will do there, we will create some scenes. Over scenes we will put some audio, and we will stitches that all scenes into one video. That we will learn in next video. So okay, bye.